Repair a pothole with EZ Street Asphalt. Step 1. Sweep any loose dust, stones and rubbish from the pothole. EZ Street will displace any remaining water and can be used in all weathers. Fill the pothole in 50mm increments, compacting between each layer. Visit our website for more resources, including technical advice and support. Step 3. Compact the material with a hand tamper or compactor plate. EZ Street is a BBA HAPAS approved material, works in water, and offers permanent patch repairs. Visit www.redstagmaterials.com, your project partner for road surface repairs.